एक मिनट.
Hello everyone, myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Department. Today we are going to explain the use of equipment in bar. Basically these are some bottles we are used during the service time, and these are some equipment like this is the ice bucket. Basically, ice buckets is used for serving the ice cube during the service. We can store the ice in this bucket and we will use that later on for service. And basically the another equipment is ice stone. Ice stone is basically used for serving the ice or sugar cubes. Basically, this is a very useful equipment during the service of alcoholic beverage. And the another equipment is your simple tongue. Simple tongue is used basically serving the different types of snacks. And if I am talking about the next one is bottle opener. Bottle opener is used for opening the different types of beer and wine bottles. Basically, this area is used for cutting the upper part of the bottles and then open the bottle. And I am talking about the next equipment is peg measure. Basically, the peg measures is used for measuring the quantity of the peg. If the guest will asking about serve the 60 ml or serve the 30 ml, then this part is used for the 30 ml peg measure, and this part is used for 30 and this part is used for 60 ml. And the next one is stirrer spoon. Basically, stirrer spoons is used for making the cocktail and mocktail in Slim Jim glass or basically in the Pilsner glass. We will also getting the layer with the help of stirrer spoon during the cocktail and mocktail service. And next one is nut cracker, basically used in nut cracker services. And next one is your waiter's friend, or another name is wine bottle opener, and basically used for open the wine bottle. And the next another equipment is shaker. Shaker or cocktail shakers is basically used for different types of cocktail and mocktail. Like here, if we are making the martini, then we fill it till here the mixtures according to the taste or choice of the customers. Then we shake the cocktail and serve to the guest in cocktail and mocktail glass. And next one is ashtray. Always we place the ashtray on the table according to the smoking policy. If the guest is asking for the ashtray, then we serve the ashtray. And next one is your footed Pilsner glass. It is used for serving the beer. This is the footed Pilsner. And next one is Slim Jim. As we discussed on later also, Slim Jim is basically used for different types of juices and cocktail and mocktail. So these are all the bar equipments today discussed by me. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics.